Namaste students. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 6.2 7th and 8th problem. Okay. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side. This line is parallel to another side, bisects the third side. You have to prove that AE is equal to EC, that is E is a midpoint. You have to prove that E is a midpoint. So first what we have to write? Given. What we have to write? Given. So in given, what you have to write? In triangle ABC. So D, I am going to take that D is the midpoint of AB. That is the midpoint of one side of the triangle. So I am going to take D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of AC. Of a side AB, and it is parallel also, no? Parallel to the another side. Another side is BC. DE parallel to BC. Then what we have to prove? Prove that the third side bisects the third side. So what we have to prove? E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. This only you have to prove. Okay. How we can prove that E is the midpoint? That is very, very important. First, I am going to take the triangle. In this given, they said that DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. So I can take the full triangle ABC, and by BPT theorem, I can tell that AD divided by DB and AE divided by EC. Okay, first step I am going to do that one. Prove. So from the given only, I found that this whole triangle we have to take, and then we have to apply the BPT theorem. Okay, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Okay, by BPT theorem, I can tell that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Mark this as 1. And they said that D is a midpoint. Since D is a midpoint of a side AB. This is given in the question. Okay, so we can tell that AD is equal to DB. AD is equal to D is a midpoint, means AD is equal to DB. So this is the first given, that DE parallel to BC. So by BPT theorem, I have written this one, and D is the midpoint of AB. So AD is equal to DB. Mark this as 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. What is 1? AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. This is 2. No? B. AD is equal to DB. Instead of AD, I am going to substitute DB equal to AE divided by EC. So we can cancel this to dB, and then we can write that 1 is equal to AE divided by EC. So write here EC is equal to AE. EC is equal to AE. So here EC is equal to A means EC is equal to AE. Both the sides are equal. Both the sides are equal. So I can tell that E is the midpoint of the side AC. Clear all of you? So therefore point E is the midpoint of line AC. Clear? So first given ABCD is ABC is a triangle, D is a midpoint of AB and DE parallel to BC. You have to prove that E is a midpoint of AC. To prove E is a midpoint of AC, we have to tell that AE is equal to EC. If we said that these two sides are equal means we can tell that E is a midpoint of AC. From the given DE parallel to BC, so by applying the BPT theorem, I can tell that AD divided by DB, AE divided by EC. Okay, and then they said that D is the midpoint of AB. So since D is the midpoint of AB, AD is equal to DB. Mark this as true. Substitute second one, that is AD is equal to DB in the first equation, and we can cancel AB divided by DB. 1 is equal to AE divided by EC, then cross multiply, EC is equal to AE. So therefore we can conclude that the point E is the midpoint of the line AC. Midpoint of the line AC. Eighth problem in exercise 6.2. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle, that is D and E, or the midpoints of the sides of the triangle AB and AC, is parallel to the third side. You have to prove that these two lines are parallel, that is DE parallel to BC. You have to prove. When we can tell that these two lines are parallel, if the sides are in same proportion, I can tell that DE parallel to BC by using the converse of BPT theorem. Okay, so I am going to write first given. So what is given? In triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of the sides, midpoint of the sides AB and AC. To prove that, what we have to prove? DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. And proof. So from the given only we have to see what we have to take first. Okay, from the given, what is given? D and E are the midpoints. Since D is the midpoint, I can write that AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BD. And since E is the midpoint of AC, I can write AE is equal to EC. Clear? So that only I am going to write first. Since D is midpoint of AB, I can write AD is equal to DB. And then this one I can write AD divided by DB is equal to 1. Mark this as equation 1. And then second one, since E is midpoint of AC, AE is equal to EC. AE is equal to EC. This one Also I can write AE divided by AC is equal to 1. Mark this as equation 2. Clear? So both are equal to 1. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, I can tell that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. The sides are in same proportion, that is AD divided by DB and AE divided by EC. Sides are in same proportion. So we can conclude that DE parallel to BC by converse of BPT theorem. Clear, all of you? Thank you.